Hey classmates, my name is Penn Shelton. I'm 30 years old. I live in Los Angeles, California, and was raised in Boston, Massachusetts. I work as a clinical case manager in a detox residential substance abuse treatment center in Beverly Hills, California. I've worked in the substance abuse treatment industry in various roles over the past 6 years. In my current role as case manager, I'm often the first clinical contact for clients who come into our care, and usually I'm the one who completes their initial intake assessment, which covers recent history and an overview of their medical, mental health, and substance abuse history. I make up half of the treatment team, with the other being the primary therapist, and the case is overseen by the clinical director of the facility. By the client's 5th day, I must conduct a comprehensive biopsychosocial assessment, which gives a more comprehensive overview of their history. At the end of the biopsych, I must fill in diagnosis codes for utilization review and insurance billing purposes, and I work together with the therapist and the overseeing psychiatrist to determine which codes fit best. I also perform psychoeducation with clients on their diagnoses, and sometimes also generally discuss medications, though I always defer back to the medical doctor for specifics on medication and diagnosis questions. I'm very excited to learn more in this class and look forward to working together over the next few weeks. See you all on the discussion boards.